Hi everyone, I'm Suresh Kumar and welcome to the Learn Python in 30 Days series. This is your daily 6-minute Python boost, simple, practical and perfect for absolute beginners. Want to learn Python from scratch in 30 days? Start here. In this first episode, let's see why Python is so powerful, how to practice it fastly and how to install Python. If you stick with me for 30 days, you will be writing a real Python program with confidence. Python is used by Google, Netflix, NASA and more. It's perfect for web development, artificial intelligence, data science, games and even automating boring stuff. It is simple, it is powerful and it's made for beginners. So let's kick off day 1. Hi all. For installing Python in your laptop or PC, just go to the Google search, type python.org. Okay, it will show you python.org and welcome to python.org. Click the download the latest version. Always choose the latest stable version. Okay, just click here. It will show the python.org official website. Now you can download the latest version for Windows. Since I am going to load Python in my PC or laptop, I'll choose here. Okay, download Python. For Linux PC, you have to go and click here. For Mac OS, you have to click here, and for same, you have to follow the steps. Click here, download Python 3.1, 3.4 and you have to choose the where to be loaded, the installer where to be loaded. I'm going to load in this spot. So click save. You can find here the installer already installed in the path. I clicked that and you will see here install. Before clicking the install now, click the add python.exe to path. This option you have to click it. Okay. Now click the install now. It takes a few seconds to load the Python in your PC or laptop. We have to wait for that. It is nearing completion. Yeah, that's good. It must show the setup successful. Setup was successful. Just close this. Now the second step. How to verify your Python is installed in your PC or not. Just go to the command prompt or shell. So I'm clicking search button. Just type command prompt. I'm clicking the run as administrator. Just click that. Now it will ask my permission. I say yes. Now the command prompt is opened here. Now, how to check my Python is loaded or not? Just click the or type the Python space version version. It shows Python 3.1, 3.4. Okay, if you want to check the path where it is loaded, simply type where Python. Now we have loaded 3.1.3 now. This is the actual path where the Python is loaded. In that way we have to check. Okay.